a tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. BST for western Clark, northern Harrison, and southern Washington counties. At 3:14 p.m. BST, train weather spotters reported a funnel cloud previously with this storm. This dangerous storm was located near Morgan Springs, moving east at 60 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will also impact Salem, Chestnut Hill, and Daisy Hill. Large hail will also be possible up to the size of golf balls. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.